Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna try, I don't know if I'm gonna do the sink strainer, or I kind of wanted to use this off the hair dryer. So on a little 8x10 canvas, I'm not sure which one I want to do first. So let's see, let's try this. Let's try this one and see how it goes. And I just mixed up some paint, mixed up white, blue, red, and yellow. Just the primary colors to see what we get. Hopefully this is a okay angle. Sorry, I'm going to move you guys over a little bit. Hopefully it's not too shadowy. I moved you from the original place just so I can maybe see better. But anyways, without further ado, let's try this. If you guys can see down in here, like these little things right here have holes in the bottom of them too, and then holes in that. So I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we're going to try. So let's do, should I put it in another cup or should I just pour it in here? Let's just pour it in here. So let's pour a little bit of white. Pour it like that. It may not work out the way it kind of goes in here. So we'll see. Blue, red, and I don't really know how thick your paint has to be, so I kind of made it thicker than I do for all my other pours. So we'll see what we get. Yellow. Let's do white. Is it going down in there? That's kind of cool. Okay, and some more blue. Blue. I just wanted to try something different. I've seen that, and I don't ever use they're called diffusers. That's what it is. The diffuser from the hair dryer. So I figured maybe we could do something fun with it. Why let it sit there and go to waste, right? Okay. Let's let that paint drip through. Ooh, it looks really cool under there. Okay. Pull it up. Set it over there. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Can you guys see that? Should I move you guys? Hold on, I'm gonna move you. Sorry. I'm gonna move you right there. Oh, I know why it looks like that to me, because I have my phone on the darkest setting. Here, let's move it this way a little bit. Check that out. That is so cool. All right, let's start kind of moving it around. And I just mixed my paints with Floetrol and a little bit of Liquitex Basics, or no, not Basics, Liquitex Medium and Varnish. That's the word I was looking for. Try to keep that on there. Trying to kind of keep that design. Get it to flow faster. Okay. I'm gonna turn it around. I should have put some gloves on. I think this is where these little ones came through, kind of gave it a neat effect. Okay, let's go down this way first. Get that off. I figured these would mix a little bit more and give us some greens and some purples, but it didn't. But those little spots in the center really look like rainbows. Okay, let's bring this all back to the center. Come back down. Okay. Let's see. Should we torch it? Look, this is like a little rainbow right there. Kind of cool, kind of cool. Lots of yellow. Didn't expect that. Let's see if we can get any cells to pop up through here. Maybe thin this out a little bit. I think it's a little too thick. So kind of want to get some of that yellow off. But I don't want to lose those little center ones. Kind of cool, just getting the paint back to the center. I don't know. It's different, kind of cool. This is really neat, these little spots. I wonder if it's gonna change at all. There's just so much yellow and I wasn't really expecting it to be so yellow. So maybe I need to thin my paints a little bit so they mix a little bit together. But these are really cool, look at that. I don't know, what do you guys think? Good experiment. Just wanted to experiment. Got some really neat little things going on in there. Lots of yellow. Pretty cool though. Pretty cool. So if you guys have a diffuser laying around, get it out and try something. Try something different. See what you can get. Maybe if I would have used like some different colors, like a different color palette that I actually like, or I could have put some metallic in there. That would have been cool. So, but it's fun to experiment. So that's what I used, just this diffuser, and I used the primary colors with a little bit of white, and that's what we got. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll take some pictures and put it at the end of this video. If you guys liked what you saw, make sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know. And then if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and show your support that way. That is the best way to help artists. If you can't afford to buy one of their pieces, you can always share their work on your social media. You can subscribe to their channel, and it's all free. It takes a second to click that button, and if you want to get notified of all my future videos, click that bell and hit all for your notifications, and it'll notify you when I post a video. So I hope you guys have an amazing day and you had some fun, and we'll see what the next one brings us.